Why is my phone battery draining so fast? And how to fix it? Is your phone battery draining way faster than it should? That's one of the most common problems, and in most cases, it's fixable. Before diving deeper, try these quick fixes. They solve most issues right away. Quick fixes for a fast draining battery. To solve a fast draining battery, start with these quick fixes. Lower your screen brightness. Close unused apps. Turn on low power mode. Restart your phone. These simple steps can immediately reduce battery drain. Common reasons for a fast draining battery. Your battery drains fast when your phone is using more power or using power inefficiently, such as bright screen, too many background apps, weak signal, outdated software, aging battery. Things like high brightness and background apps are some of the biggest battery drains. If the quick fixes didn't work, or you want to dive in deeper, let's take a look at how you can troubleshoot the issue. Troubleshooting a fast draining battery. Troubleshoot a fast draining battery with the following steps. Step 1. Reduce screen usage. Your screen is the biggest battery user. Lower brightness. Use auto brightness. Reduce screen timeout. Keeping brightness high drains battery quickly. Step 2. Close background apps. Apps don't stop when you close them. They often run in the background. Close unused apps. Limit background activity. Background apps can drain your battery even when you're not using your phone. Step 3. Check your signal. If your signal is weak, your phone works harder. Poor reception drains battery. Wi-Fi or data constantly reconnecting can cause your battery to drain faster than normal. Step 4. Update your phone. Make sure your apps and system are updated. Updates often include battery improvements and bug fixes. Step 5. Check battery health. Sometimes it's just the battery. Older phones lose battery capacity, faster drain over time. Batteries naturally wear down after a few years. Quick recap. If your battery is draining fast, here's what to do. Lower brightness. Close background apps. Check signal strength. Update your phone. Monitor battery health. Best practices. How to prevent battery drain. To keep your battery lasting longer. Avoid extreme heat. Don't use your phone while charging. Keep battery between 20 to 80%. Turn off unused features like Bluetooth and GPS. Heat and overuse can shorten your battery's lifespan. Common mistake. One common mistake is thinking the battery is the only problem, such as ignoring apps using power, leaving settings unchanged, not checking signal issues. Often, it's your settings causing the fast drain, not your battery. You can also check out the full step-by-step guide linked below for more detailed fixes. And if this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple tech help. SimpleTech Help. Tech made simple.